Okay, so we're trying to get a picture in front of this place here. Yeah, it looks good. Covering up your face.
I'm not taking the picture. Can you take the picture? Walking into Home Goods, they sent me this gift card, and I'm about to go shop and find some inspo for creamies. I'm so excited. We need like little outside patio things. We need cake plates. Baby trash can. Can that be a baby trash can? I think it's just really cute. I'm keeping it.
Mm-hmm.
You're such a liar. Do you like some tea?
It's rubbish.
Look how cute this is. I need it. Second purchase. Yep, I think we're done. I was coming here for a baby cake stand.
And you got it.
This is what I got. I got a baby cake stand. This is my first purchase. This is a big moment. You happy about that?
Yeah.
Me too. So I'm about to go into Home Depot and get shiplap for the outside and the inside. I think just the inside for right now because I don't have my dad's truck in order to get enough for the outside, I think. So I'm just gonna get that and we'll see how it goes because I have no idea what I'm doing. So I only have 15 minutes to get what I need and get out. And you don't even have the camera. Yeah, exactly. Enough to go 7 feet high.
Don't hit me with it.
I'm excited. Are you excited? Thank you so much. Good one.
I feel like it's not helping you.
So I got my 2x4s. I didn't have enough room in my car for the shiplap, so I'm gonna have to come back. But thanks Home Depot for helping me pick out my 2x4s. Very helpful. Appreciate it. Should I get this? Another day.
You're just always there for me. Always count on you. You're so consistent. Someone I can talk to. I just love you,
So good.
There's no match.
There really isn't.
There's no match.
No. There's almond or M&Ms in there too. Do you not like M&Ms? You're not listening. You're not paying attention. I just said there's M&Ms in here too. If you want to fish out the M&Ms.
Watch your tone.
But you
Fish
weren't
out that tone.